आयज डॉक्टर पूजा मडकयकार जी जावन आसा डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर ऑफ IPHB हिचो स्टेटमेंट प्रेसा कडेन केला तो आयकून म्हाका अजाप दिसले. तिणें म्हटलां ते रिक्रुटमेंट रुलान एक रिलॅक्स क्लॉज आसा म्हणून. एका लागून हांव डॉक्टर मडकयकाराची एटेन्शन ड्रॉ करूंक सोदतां. एडवर्टिजमेंट तिणें पळय प्रेसाचेर घातलेलो नवीन टायम्साचेर 8 जानेवारी 2010 तिणें ती खंयसरूच मेन्शन करूंक नासलें रिलॅक्स क्लॉज आसा म्हणून. जरी तर रिलॅक्सेशन वील बी गिवन फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर कोर्स म्हटलेलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ते प्रमाणे आजरानी भुरगे तरी तिका एप्लाय करतले आसले. आनी न्हयच इतलेंच, असले 3-4 अटेम्पांनी न्हू पूण एकाच अटेम्पान इवन डिस्टिंक्शन घेवन आनी विथ कोंकणी एज वन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट असले लेगून तिका भुरगे मेळटले आसले आनी विथ प्रॉपर हेजी सर्टिफिकेट.
हांव हांगा डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आसा ऑफ IPHB. सो आय एम टेकिंग दीस प्रेस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आवर डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर बांदेकर. पयलीं म्हणजे लेट मी क्लॅरिफाय हो मॅटर जो आसा सतीश नायकाचो, इट पर्टेन्स टू द इयर 2010 when neither Dr. Bandekar was the director nor I was the deputy director. Okay, so we are going on the facts which are available with us. पयली म्हणजे दिस पोस्ट इज कॉल्ड एज टेक्निशियन फॉर ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपी. ओके, तेजे RRs हांवें पळयल्या, हे म्हजे कडेन आसा. तेजेर बरयलां मॅट्रिक्युलेशन विथ सायन्स सब्जेक्ट आनी डिप्लोमा इन ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपी फ्रॉम अ रेकॉग्नायज्ड इन्स्टिट्यूशन विच इज अ रिलॅक्स्ड क्लॉज. इट इज रिटन इन द ब्रॅकेट. म्हणजे खंयच्याय मनशा कडेन एप्लिकंटा कडेन हो जर डिप्लोमा ना देन इट इज ओके. ही हॅज टू बी प्युअरली टेकन ऑन द बेसीस ऑफ दीस मॅट्रिक्युलेशन इन सायन्स सब्जेक्ट. ओके, फर्दर तेजे जे ड्युटीज पळय आसा ऑफ द टेक्निशियन, इट इज प्युअरली टू गिव वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग टू आवर पेशंट्स. ही इज नोवेर इन्वॉल्वड इन असेसिंग द पेशंट or interviewing the patient or deciding what is good for the patient. That is entirely done by our occupational therapist. आमचे कडेन एक occupational therapist म्हणून आसा who is a degree holder in occupational therapy. She interviews the treating psychiatrist or the doctor, refers this patient to the occupational therapist. Occupational therapist मागीर तेजे बरोबर बसून तेका कंप्लीट इंटरव्यू तेजो घेता आनी मागीर शी रिफर्स इट टू आवर ऑक्युपेशन. थंय आमचे कडेन लोक आसता लायक कार्पेंटर, टेक्निशियन, हँडीक्राफ्ट इन्स्ट्रक्टर, असे खुबशे लोक आसता. आनी जे इंटरव्यूचे बेसिसार जे आमचे ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपिस्टाक दिसता की दीस पेशंट वील बी गूड एट ते पेशंटाक ते पोस्टाक ते रिफर करता. लायक इफ शी फील्स दॅट सम पेशंट वील बी गूड इन टेलरिंग जाल्यार थेरपिस्ट ताका टेलरा कडेन रिफर करू शकता. नाल्यार कितें क्राफ्ट अवेलेबल विथ मी. इट इज ओनली मॅट्रिक्युलेशन इन सायन्स सब्जेक्ट, म्हणजे 10वी पास जाल्यार पुरो सायन्स सब्जेक्टान. आनी जो डिप्लोमा आसा इन ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपी इज अ रिलॅक्स्ड क्लॉज. वी नीड नॉट हॅव दीस. ओके, आतां बाकीचे रिगार्डींग सतीश नायक पळय आसा न्ही, आमची इन्क्वायरी चालूच आसा. फर्स्ट म्हणजे ते जो सर्टिफिकेट्स जॉन नाजारेथ म्हणटा जे फेक आसा त्यो सर्टिफिकेट्स एज पर RRs आमकां लागच ना. वी मेक द रिक्रुटमेंट प्युअरली ऑन द बेसीस ऑफ RRs. तुमी एक मनशान खुबशे कोर्सीस केल्ले आसता, ते सगळे बसून लायल्या जाता एप्लिकेशनाक, बट वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर ओनली वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड एज पर RRs, which I have clearly specified what is the requirement. Even then I have gone a step, since so many allegations have been made on our department and our director. I have gone ahead to investigate in the matter. हांवें अवनी क्रिएशन आनी मीता खानोलकर, I wrote to them and a reply has already been received. आनी तेणी सगळ्यांनी म्हणलां की ड्युरींग दॅट पिरियड 99 to 2000 पिरियडान तो तेंचे कडल्यान काम करताले. नाव दीज आर सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सीस. ते कितें रेजिडेंशियल और फूल टायम कोर्सीस न्ही, जस्ट टू लर्न सम क्राफ्ट और वूड शेल कार्विंग. ही नीड नॉट गो देर एंड स्पेंड 9 to 5 टायमींग असो तेंचें नाशिल्लें. इट कूड बी लायक वन्स अ वीक or once in a month he would go there as and when required. That is how that period of 99 to 2005 is clashing. Okay, but if I go to see ki as per RRs those certificates are not required. Only matriculation, as I said, that is required, and a relaxed clause जो आसा तो diploma in occupational therapy. Now regarding his residential certificate, तो म्हणता की तेजेर overwriting केला. That also I have seen. I have written to Mamledar. And Mamledar has replied also to me saying that की त्या टायमा वयलो जो record आसा ते weed out केल्या. That is of the year 2007. तो म्हाका रिप्लाय कालूच आयला. काल I think last Friday I have received that reply. So further I will investigate into the matter. I will ask him what else, how else can I prove that that overwriting was not done or done, whatever it is.
तुम्ही म्हणला तुम्ही त्या टायमार नाशिल्ले मागीर
Yes. That's what I said. That is what department of the patient. When we do recruitment, we write essential qualification as in the essential knowledge of Konkani. Nowhere it is mentioned how to assess it. So we purely rely on the basis of residence certificate.
You said in RR something was.
It's a relaxed clause. Diploma in occupational therapy from a recognized institution. It's a relaxed clause. तेजेकडे तो ई सर्टिफिकेट ना and
Was it
recruitment.
advertised?
Yes, of course. In
That clause
2000, advertisement. That is what. I've seen the advertisement. Yeah, एक relaxed clause mentioned now. Then that is they per they advertise they lapse ala on the part of administration. I've seen that advertisement, and तेजेर वो relaxed clause ये बरयल्लें ना. But in the RRs it is written. So that was a lapse on the administration. They advertised for the songs आशिल्ली की occupational therapist. So he was first working with us as carpenter. Then this post were that is in 2007. This post was advertised in 2010. He took NOC and he applied for the post and he was selected and he technical regulation घेऊन he was taken. So initially he was working as carpenter. Apply केला ते. I have seen 3 people have applied. आणि कोणचेच हेजेकडे ही सर्टिफिकेट ना. Diploma in occupational therapy. Yes. No, घेऊकूच ना न्ही. He doesn't have it. He doesn't have this diploma and it is not required as per RRs. RRs and फक्त 10th pass certificate जाय. Which I verify. ती त्याने provide केल्या.
काम किती करता?
Now his role is to provide vocational training. तो आता कितें शिकयता? कार्पेंट्री शिकयता. पेशंट आता आमचे पेशंट्स जेन्ना पळय आमचे लॉंग स्टे पेशंट्स आसता. नाव आफ्टर दॅट दे हॅव टू बी एडॉप्टेड बाय दे हॅव टू बी गेट इंडक्टेड इन द सोसायटी न्ही. सो तांकां कितें ट्रेनिंग दिवन आमी ताका धाडटा. ट्रेनिंग म्हणजे कितें कार्पेंट्री शिकयता, कोणाकूय कॅन्डल मेकिंग शिकयता, टेलरिंग शिकयता. दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द थेरपी. This is a part of the treatment of the patient. So, तेजे काम ये तो कार्पेंट्री शिकयता, कॅन्डल मेकिंग शिकयता, बॅग मेकिंग शिकयता. पूण what trait a patient is good at, that is decided by the occupational therapist, and that is a separate post, and he is working under the occupational therapist. He is not the occupational therapist.
You said that there is some report of overwriting residential certificate.
Yeah, so that is what the 1990 and in 91 the overwriting कशे आसा. I have seen that. So I wrote to Mamledar to verify that certificate. But Mamledar म्हणटा की त्या पिरियडा वयले documents read out केल्या. So that reply I have just received on Friday.
What is IPHP stand now on this?
So now I will investigate in the matter. I will rewrite. I will submit the previous documents and ask him to provide a residential certificate on that basis. Only thing is that थंय पयली हँड रिटन आसताल्यो आतां ती प्रिंटेड येता सो ते इनिशियल थंय केल्ली ना.
But can department accept overwritten?
Now I don't know at that point of time. तर आतां हँड रिटनूच हाडटाले ते डिपार्टमेंटल सिलेक्शन कमिटीन ऑब्जेक्शन रेज करूंक जाय आशिल्ले त्या टायमार.
ना तुमकां जर
त्या
आतां
टायमार. Now if it is found faulty or fake or if I feel that he is guilty in some certificate,
Yeah.
fake certificate, I will definitely take action.
what action is taken?
Depends. We have to still investigate me whether he has to get suspended or as per rules in force तेजेर action जातले.
Delay कित्याक जालो?
There has been no delay.
How long
There has
is
been no
inquiry
delay.
going on?
आता झाले 5-6 महिने. फर्स्ट वी वर डुईंग आवर इनिशियल इन्क्वायरी वर्बली आपून बिपून आमी इंटरव्यू घेतलो. देन वी हॅव रिटर्न टू एप्रोप्रिएट ऑथॉरिटीज फॉर क्लॅरिफिकेशन. आता महाराष्ट्र बोर्डा कडल्यान म्हाका एक क्लॅरिफिकेशन जाय दॅट वील टेक सम टायम. आय एम इन टच विथ देम.
6 months.
No, see, you cannot, any inquiry can take any amount of time. So before, I just cannot go ahead and take any action against a government servant unless I am satisfied with the results.
आता
You are
त्याची तो
you have not come to conclusion that the certificates are false, right?
Which certificates?
And
ते
that-
जर पळय Avni and Nita Khanolkar, they have already written to me that he was there during that period. And as per RRs, I need not even consider the certificates. But you may provide all this.
Where are these two institutes?
One is in Porvari, Nita Khanolkar, and one is in Maharashtra somewhere,
So you
Ghatkopar.
travel simultaneously.
Ghatkopar. Yes, because they are not full-time courses. But what is my say? If as per RRs, nowhere it is mentioned regarding any certificate or tasle or some experience certificate, why should I even consider the matter? I will only go as per the RRs. RRसान म्हणला की तेका SSC जाय. ती जर SSC तेजी फेक सर्टिफिकेट आसा, I will take action on that. What else? आणि रेसिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट जे ओव्हररायटिंग जाला पळय दॅट फर्दर आय विल इन्व्हेस्टिगेट. मामलेदार म्हणटा करंटली आपणा कडेन ते डॉक्युमेंट ना तेन्नाचे 2007चे. सो आय विल रायट बॅक टू बार्देस मामलेदार.
So 90चे रिकॉर्ड ना म्हणटा तो.
No, yeah, they have written to me saying that 90चे record त्यांनी read out केल्या application. So I will further investigate. 90 नी 2007. 2007चे. And his duty is purely providing vocational training to the patient and not assessing them.
Suppose in case तो ते तुमकां ओव्हररायटिंग आनी बाकीचे
Yes,
जी
definitely,
reporting
definitely.
जाल्यार तेजेर एक्शन घेवन
Action आमी definitely.
केला ती रिकवर
That we will see as per rules in force what kind of action we can take on him. That matter I have to see. Anything
You are
else?
conducting inquiry.
Yes. Anything else?
So he treats patient or even chronic patient?
He doesn't treat patient. That is what I'm saying.
He's training.
Yes, because we have long stay patients. आमचे कडेन खूब वर्सां बसून पेशंट उरता, सो वी कॅनॉट जस्ट कीप देम आयडल. वी हॅव टू प्रोवायड देम वीथ सम वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग. तेच हांव सांगता, इट इज स्कील ओरिएंटेड ट्रेनिंग. कॅन्डल मेकिंग, बॅग मेकिंग, टेलरिंग, कसलेय क्राफ्ट. आमचे इयरली एक्झिबिशन सुद्दां जाताले ऑन मेंटल हेल्थ डे. आमी मेंटल हेल्थ वीक म्हणून करताली एवरी इयर. पूण आतां बिकॉज ऑफ कोवीड ते आमी मेंटल हेल्थ वीक असो सेलिब्रेट करना. आमी एक्झिबिशनूय आमी करना. आमी आमचे पेशंट्साकूच एक्टिविटीज करता विच इज नॉट अ पब्लीक एक्टिविटी. इट इज डन इनडोर. So all this, yes. And for the whole week also we were having activities. Just that annual exhibition of the patients we used to have every year. The patientani kelle artifacts like wood carving, आनी कसले एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क आमी एक्झिबिशन दवरताली आनी लोक ते परचेस करताले. दॅट एक्झिबिशन बिकॉज ऑफ कोवीड वी हॅव स्टॉप. फ्युचरान पळोवया वी मे रिस्टार्ट ऑल्सो.
The last 3 years you have
नॉट डन.
And where is
2
the
years.